Tengzhou BORUI CNC Machine Tool Company Limited is a machine tool manufacturer integrating scientific research, product development, design, manufacturing, and sales. Is a large-scale machine tool manufacturer located in the Economic Development Zone of Tengzhou City, Shandong Province. The lathes and milling machines comply with CE certification. Tengzhou BORUI CNC Machine Tool Company Limited in recent years. By absorbing advanced foreign technology, cooperating with colleges and universities, and combining self-developed design, leading products have been formed. Gantry, Vertical and Horizontal Machining Center Series, CNC Milling Machine Series, Horizontal Boring and Milling Machine Series, Radial Drilling Machine Series, Universal Lifting Table Milling Machine Series, Vertical Milling Machine Series, Milling and Drilling Machine Series, Lathe Series, CNC Lathe Series, and other 8 series with more than 90 specifications. Its stable performance and reliable quality sell well all over the country. Exported to more than 170 countries and regions, mainly in the European and American markets, and have enjoyed good reputation from all of our customers. The company has established a good win-win relationship with domestic electromechanical companies and foreign agents, and sincerely invite powerful agents to join BORUI, build a stronger sales network, and provide customers with better services. Tengzhou BORUI CNC Machine Tool Company Limited is willing to cooperate sincerely with friends from all walks of life, at home and abroad, for common development.